Where are you going?
Gilroy Garden.
Ribbit. It's a farmer's market.
Oh yeah, huh?
What is the train crossing for?
That's right, I hope. Train, obviously, man. It goes to the Caltrain.
Series 6.
Oh, wait, let me get my
Who's riding the stroller?
Caleb, obviously.
Come here.
baby.
Like the other garden we go to usually.
Oh, I think.
Gilroy Gardens. It's a family theme park here in Gilroy. 45 minutes from San Jose. So we're gonna check this out. First time.
Nicer though.
We bought our tickets online, which is $65 each. If you buy it here, it'll be $80. $70 for seniors and kids. 3 and under are free. But if you buy it online, everybody is $65. It's Cherry Jubilee celebration. So we have a lot of cherry theme food and celebration this visit here. Little stop over for the waterfall. No fish. The Jubilee celebration. Okay, our first ride is the train station, and it's going to take us all over the park so we can see the park better. So kids are excited. Train ride. Oh, let's see how tall are you? Whoa! On blue, which means a supervising companion is needed. You're about 46. Yay! Time to ride. Second ride, a carousel. You got it? Hi, Caleb. We'll ride this one first. Faster. Hi. Going. Too fast.
Whoa. It's not fast.
No, it's slow, huh?
I don't think Axolotl will be here. Why are you shaking your booty? Don't fall asleep.
It's like so relaxing.
Yeah, very relaxing. I hear frog. I hear ribbit. Look, there's the swans.
We should have been done with it. I want to come back there later.
Ooh, the frog is getting louder. It means we're getting closer. Is that fun? Up the stairs. I know. Is it a good burger?
White cherry ice cream? No, no order.
Need this?
We just finished buying some t-shirt for the kids, souvenir.
I hear the train.
All right, cool,
I
guys.
hear the train.
Time to go home. The fun is over. Say bye, Gilroy Gardens.
Bye, Gilroy.
See you in how many years? When are you gonna come back to San Jose?